So guys, this is what I would call my walk-in GP practice. Obviously, being a district nurse, this is a build-up of work over the past, say, couple of weeks, and I just haven't had a chance to clean my car and sort the car out. So the car is completely empty. I've pulled everything from the car and brought it inside, and now we're going to sort it out. Declutter, get rid of any rubbish. I mean, it's just absolutely full of stuff. Just so much stuff. I mean, it goes in there. So much stuff. So it needs sorting, and I can't wait to sort it because it's just messing up my living room and I can't vacuum underneath it. And so it needs to be sorted, get back in the car, and then I will feel happy. And this is what it all looks like together. And now I need to magic that into my car. So, ta-da! All nicely put away in my car, ready to go for work. Going to save lives.